Just yesterday, Mother Ghana's virgin forests were like the biblical Garden of Eden. Our streams, our rivers, and other water bodies flowed freely and clean, giving life to man, animals, and fishes of all kinds. Today, Mother Ghana weeps. She weeps for her present. She weeps for her future. She weeps because Galamsey has taken over her land. Her forests are dying and her waters are polluted with poisonous chemicals. Her farmlands are made infertile and her children are buried alive in deep holes they dig for a yellow metal called gold. What will Ghana's tomorrow be if there was no clean water to drink, no farmland to feed on, and no trees for shelter? Away with the canker of Galamsey. Galamsey must end now.
Help stamp out illegal mining today. Call the Anti-Galamsey hotline on 050 7000 400. Galamsey must end now.